Welcome to Werks. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. Today's video is on a 3D printed storage tool holder for my live centers. I used black PLA to print these tool storage holders. Each size of the holders were printed in 3 parts, a cap, a bottom, and a body. I could have printed the body with the bottom, but by not doing that, I saved about 30 minutes of print and design time. I used FreeCad to design the parts and Cura to slice and generate the G-code. I have added screenshot information on each step in the design and slicing if you want to design and print your own tool holders. If you want the files, add a request to the comment section and I'll send them to you. You can pause the video to look at each property closer and understand what I did and duplicate and modify in FreeCad and Cura to print your own tool holders. This is a very simple project to produce and may save your tooling from damage and storage. Here is a speeded up view of the print on my Cura CR10 3D printer. I didn't have any issues with the print, and the caps were a light and tight press fit. I left the layer lines in the 3D printed parts to help create a little friction in order to hold the caps onto the bodies. They will loosen up over time due to wear and tear on the mating surfaces of the 3D prints. I will use Harbor Freight's best super glue to glue the bottoms on because they don't need to be removed to gain access to the tools. The bottoms were not necessary but gave the tool holder a finished look. I left a little room between the sides of the tool holder and the tool, which I might add some oil-soaked felt to help protect the tool from rust in the future. Thank you for watching Werks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, and comment. Thanks again.